The topic of this video is very important, all of you, because today I am going to talk to you on shelf life of your skills. Technological advancements are reshaping both the workplace and the market. The accelerating pace of technological, demographic, and social economic destruction is transforming industries and business models, changing the skills that employers need and shortening the shelf life of employees' existing skill sets in the process of advancement. In today's global challenging and competitive environment, do you know that the average shelf life of a skill is less than 5 years? Your current skill is not usable after the few years or maybe more than less. If you stand still, you will soon be absolute from the competition. The best time to change is before you are forced to be by situations. The world of work is changing. According to the World Economic Forum, 65% of children entering primary school today will be employed in jobs that do not yet exist. The industrial revolution requires muscle from its workers. The information age traded muscle from mental capacity, which explains the rise of knowledge workers. The future will require workers to be emotionally intelligent. At the same time, many jobs which exist today will become automated by artificial intelligence in the future. McKinsey Global predicts that almost half of all workplace activity could be automated in the future. The shelf life of knowledge, the time between when knowledge is acquired to when it becomes absolute, is shrinking rapidly. At the same time, the volume of knowledge required to do our jobs well is giving exponentially. This means we need to be constantly learning, discarding out of date knowledge, and replacing it with new knowledge in an almost seamless and continuous process. The amount of knowledge in the world has doubled in the past 10 years and is now doubling every 12 months. Now, technologies keep inventing most industries, transforming work process and consumer expectations. The window of opportunity is closing. Companies need to start upskilling their staff now so they are still relevant tomorrow. Lifelong learning is becoming a big business and leading companies are coming together to develop the future workforce. Microsoft and General Motors plan to upskill 15,000 employees in artificial intelligence in the next few years. What worked yesterday works less well today and would not work at all tomorrow. As a result, training must evolve, learning must evolve, ways of doing and leading must evolve, and even the way the organization is structured must evolve. What you learned in college or school, what you learned on your first job might form the basis for how you lead, but leadership is largely based on knowledge and that knowledge must be renewed. The key is to make workplace learning an essential part of the job for everyone. Empower your workforce to learn by providing them with a platform, opportunities, time for learning and let them make choice about their own learning paths. The smart people have figured out this before it is too late. They are always hungry looking for the next changes. They are always hungry to learn more and more. They never miss any opportunity to improve themselves. Self-education is important beyond the classroom. In the real world, self-education matters a whole lot more than formal education. There are plenty of people with a formal education that are still struggling. A formal education is good, but only as a foundation. The sad part is that many are stuck at the foundation level. They do not realize that in order to complete the building, they need to invest in some self education. I believe everyone should ask themselves, how can I better my career in any field or any profession? There are so many resources to think and learn. It seems obvious that additionally learning can sharpen a skill to help you advance in a current field or help you gain new skills and opportunities. However, any learning requires a fundamental commitment of time and money. Remember, as knowledge becomes absolute at faster and faster rate, keeping your personal knowledge base up to date is quickly becoming a matter of survival. The future moves fast. Are you ready to move with it? If not, do it today. Thank you.